Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Since wedding season is around, so I thought let's do a makeup tutorial which will really help you in this wedding season. If you are interested in how I created this look, then please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell right next to it so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for it. Now let's get started with the video. So guys, now let's start with the concealer. So first I am using this medium beige concealer. This is from LA Girl Pro Conceal. I just love this concealer. You all, if you are following me from a long time, you all know that I just love this concealer. Just a little bit on the dark spots, on the dark circles, wherever you have. Moving ahead, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I'm just loving this foundation. You have to properly moisturize your skin before using this foundation because this is a heavy coverage foundation and you have to blend it properly. If you don't blend it properly, it can become patchy, so you have to be a bit careful when you're using this foundation. So I'll just blend this foundation. I'm using the shade F9.5. This is a Makeup Revolution foundation. It's a thick foundation. You can see the consistency. It's a really thick foundation, but it gives a very nice coverage. And you need to use very little of it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to set my eyes. So I'm using Maybelline loose powder. I'm using this powder. So I really love this powder. You can see I've just set my face with the loose powder. Now let's go with the eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to use today this. This is Manish Malhotra My Glam 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I swear by this product. I really love this product. It's a very nice compact eyeshadow palette which is very travel friendly, as well as it has shades also which will really help you in this wedding season. So now let's see how it looks like. So this is how the packaging looks like. Isn't it amazing? So these are all the shades. These are all the shades. You can see you have a golden shimmer, you have a matte shades also, and it's an amazing palette. I really love the pigmentation also. You can see how pigmented it is. So now let's start with the eye makeup. So I'm going to use this black shade from this. So it's really amazing. I just love this palette. You can see how pigmented it is. So now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend it properly so that there are no sharp edges. Okay guys, moving ahead, I'm going to use this shade. You can see with my finger, you can see how pigmented it is. And I just really love this palette, and I'll recommend you all to use this palette for this coming wedding season. So I'm going to blend it properly using this brush. So you can see how beautiful it is looking. So after that, I'm going to take the golden shade in this and just highlight my brow points. So I'm going to just take the golden color. You can see this one I'm taking. So I'm just going to dip it and just apply it over here. Amazing. You can see the pigment. So guys, you can see how beautiful it has turned out. Now I'm going to use a kohl. So I'm using this K Beauty amazing kajal. So guys, you can see our eye look is complete. Now moving ahead. So guys, I just love blush. So this is the blush from My Glam. My Glam Spotlight Illuminating Liquid Blush. It's an amazing blush. It just gives a natural flush to your skin and really looks very natural on your skin. So you can see this is how the blush packaging looks like. So I'm just going to show you the bottle. See how classy it is. It's amazing. So now we are going to apply this blush. So I'm going to just shake it well. Like this, you can see, oh my god, it's amazing. It's too much of blush. Now just blend it into our skin. You can see it's giving a natural glow onto your skin But you can see the shine, and it really stays for a long time, giving you this natural look. I'm going to apply this on the other side also. I really love this product. You can see I'm just applying it. I'm just applied on my nose. So guys, you can see it just gives a natural glow to your skin, making your skin very dewy and looks very fresh. Your makeup looks very fresh. I just love this product. So this is for 1195 and I really love this blush. You can see it has just given me a natural glow to my skin and my skin really looks very nice. So guys, I'm going to contour my face to give a little definition to my face. So I'm going to use this My Glam Pose in the shade Walnut, and it's a really very nice contour. So I'm going to show you, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to apply it over here a little bit. You can see over here, you can just try it. Their products are really amazing. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just dab it into my skin, pushing it and giving it a nice, you can see, so very easy to use and the products are very blendable. You can see it's easily blendable into your skin, and you can build up if you want a more contour look. So I think this would be enough for me. I really love this. See, you can see the difference. So I really love this product. So after we are done with the contour, now I'm going to curl my lashes. So I'm using this curler. Curling your lashes is really very important. My Glam Twisted Mascara. You can see this is the product. So it's a very nice mascara. The wand they have given, it's really very nice. It will give you a very nice effect on your lashes. So this is the My Glam Twisted Volumizing and Curling Mascara. So I'm going to show you. This is how the mascara looks like. You can see the wand is really very different. So this will really help you to give that volume to your lashes. So I'm going to use this. And it's very light. It's a very light mascara. You don't feel very heavy after applying this. And I really love this mascara. You can see the difference yourself. It will give you a very nice effect. So guys, this mascara will really help you to give that very nice thick lashes, and you can see the lashes will also look very nice. If you are not into falsies, then this mascara will really help you and give you that very nice effect to your lashes. I'm going to use this MAC lipstick, and it's a very amazing lipstick because we have done heavy eyes. So I'm going to go for a nude lipstick. This is shade Twig and it's a satin lipstick from MAC. So now let's apply this lipstick. You can see this is how the shade looks like. You're just going to love this shade. I'm just loving this shade. You can see how beautiful it looks on this look. The last product which I'm going to use today is this highlighter from the Balm. It's a very nice highlighter. You can see this is how the highlighter looks like. I'm going to just use this highlighter on my cheekbones just to highlight. You can see amazing highlighter. I'm just loving this highlighter.